Welcome everyone, this is Modan Raghavan. This video we are going to see UiPath Studio X. In previous videos we have installed the UiPath Studio and we have chosen the profile Studio. In this video we are going to see what is Studio X. Generally UiPath Studio X is designed for the business users who does not have any programming background in earlier stages. Or let's say in simple words, the Studio X is only for the business users. So in this video we can convert the existing profile from Studio to Studio X. And what are the basic operations that we can do in the Studio X that also we can see in this video. If you have already installed the UiPath Studio, you can open that and go to the settings icon and click on the license and profile and click on the change profile. It was the same pop-up that we have received in the previous installation. In the previous installation itself, if you want to convert as the Studio X, you can directly choose the option Studio X. Or if you have already chosen wrong UiPath Studio, then you can now select the UiPath Studio X. Here you can read out, it is mainly for the business users. And it will ask for the restart, click on yes. When compared to the UiPath Studio, here it will be having the project name as a task and the remaining things will be almost the same. But here you can see the template will be a little bit different. It will be very close to the business users and they can see all the applications which they are using for daily day-to-day activities. So here you can start with a blank test and just demo task. Give the description for that and click on create. So on the left-hand side activities, you can see the different applications that we are using for daily activities or daily automation that we planned. And you can see the different actions that you can do over that applications. For example, this can be one of your resources. It can be your local application, or it can be the browser, or it can be any desktop application such as like Outlook, Excel, Gmail, and PowerPoint, Word, and so on. And different actions that you can do is like opening the CSV file or say creating the data table or other things such as like sending mail or deleting mail, archiving the mail, reply to the mail. These are the different actions that you can with the resource application such as Gmail or let's say desktop Outlook. And this is the place you can design your automation. On your right hand side, you can see the data manager. Whatever the data you are using or what are the variables you are going to use, that will be shown here with the data. Now, object repository, you can see the object repository, whichever the components you are adding, for those the libraries or the components will be shown here. Apart from that, it is very similar to the previous UiPath Studio. It will be having the recorder and it will be having the table extraction and export to Excel and publishing and run command directly. And here you can see other basic activities such as save, cut, copy, paste. Below you can see the output of your output messages, or you can see the error list. In case if you get any errors, you can just analyze by seeing the error message here. In bottom line is, this will be mainly for the business users and you don't need a single logical coding practice here. So directly you can automate the things with a very minimal, just a drag and drop activity. So this is all about the basic understanding or overall structure about the UiPath Studio X. So thanks for watching and have a great day.